It was a quiet night, kind where the stars hang low and listen. She stood by the gate. I knew it was time to say goodbye. On a dusty road where the moonlight shines, I held your hand for the very last time. The lantern glow faded soft and slow, but the stars above seemed to know.
I whispered low with a trembling sigh, don't let our love just pass us by. Though time will change what tomorrow brings, tonight the nightbird still sings.
Starry night, farewell under heaven's light. Two hearts parted on a lonesome night. Though miles may rise and rivers may swell, I'll remember you in a starry night. Farewell.
He tipped his hat. I tried not to cry, but the stars above, they carried our promise.
The whistle calls from the midnight train. I turn away, but I feel the pain. Your shadow fades like a fleeting flame, yet the sky still whispers your name.
If fate is kind and the wind should bend, maybe our trails will cross again. But if they don't, I'll be strong and true, for my heart still rides with you.
Starry night, farewell under heaven's light. Two hearts parted on a lonesome night. Though miles may rise and rivers may swell, I'll remember you in a starry night. Farewell. The years may scatter us, darling, but the stars may never forget. Every night I'll look up and think of you. Starry night, farewell under heaven's light. Two hearts parted on a lonesome night. Though miles may rise and rivers may swell, I'll remember you in a starry night. Farewell.
Good night. Good night, my love. Farewell beneath the stars.